The coordinator is an extension contract that, when combined with a specific server implementation, can approve or reject trades under various conditions before these trades are actually settled. So I would say the most important use cases for this are the following. One, the coordinator can sequence trades in order to prevent front-running or accidental trade collisions. So in a peer-to-peer network, it's not always obvious if a taker is attempting to fill the same order you are, because you might just not have heard that information yet. And when this happens, you will have two takers attempting to fill the same order, and one of those will actually fail. A coordinator can sequence these things so that trade collisions never actually happen. In addition to that, typically when you cancel an order within the 0x protocol, that will require an on-chain transaction submitted to the exchange contract. With a coordinator, you can actually get free and instant cancels that never touch the blockchain, which is much more efficient than before. So imagine you have 3 fills for 3 different orders, A, B, and C. A coordinator can change the order in which those are filled by approving them or rejecting them at different times. After these pass through the coordinator contract, they will then be submitted to the exchange contract and go through the regular pipeline.